Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do an unboxing on this multi-tool that I bought. I've heard a lot of good reviews about it, like YouTubers saying that it's really good. This is the Crank Brothers M17, and the 17 stands for the functions that it has. So on the back of it, it shows everything that it could do. And right there it says the weight of it. It is 168 grams. The material is 6061 T6 aluminum frame. The chain tool is a 17.4 pH stainless steel. It is for 8 through 12 speed, but I don't know because I didn't test it yet. The spoke wrenches are 1, 2, 3, and 4. The tools are 6150 high tensile steel. The hex wrenches are 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 millimeters. The screwdrivers are Phillips and flathead. The Torx is a T25. The open wrenches are 8 millimeter and 10 millimeter. And the warranty is a lifetime warranty. So now let's open it. There it is. This multi-tool is held together by this heavy-duty rubber band basically, and that just slides off, and it basically keeps something from poking something in your backpack. So here's the chain tool. So here are the open wrenches that you could use, 8 millimeter and then 10 millimeter. Then here are the spoke wrenches, 0, 1, then 2 and 3. And on this side are your Allen wrenches basically. This is the 8 millimeter. This is the 5. This is the 4. The 3. The 2.5, and then the 2. And then on the other side is your 6 millimeter, along with a Phillips head screwdriver and a Torx T20 for your disc brakes or anything else, and then a flathead screwdriver. So right now I'm going to show you how this chain tool works. This is just an old rusty BMX chain that I'm not going to ever use. So yeah. You just put it right here. Wait, no, this one right here. You put it right there. There we go. And as you can see, it works even on the BMX chain. And you just take this thing out. There we go. As you can see, this tool works, and now from now on I'm just gonna keep it in my backpack, so every time I went on a ride I just had it. So yeah. After having this tool for around a week or so, it has come in handy for my friend, because one time his headset became loose, and then another time his seat became loose, and every time I could just tighten it and help him out. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and see you next time.